All right, so this is the website Auditor, and this is made by a company that I actually remember using their products over 10 years ago. They have a couple link building tools, and they have this Windows style interface, but this is actually on the Mac. So it actually works on Mac or Windows, and you can use it on any site, but it does a complete site audit. And what I really like about this is it is extremely thorough, right? So this is just um, a site that I have that I don't worry too much about. So there are some errors and some warnings, but it gives you exactly what you need to know. And if you click on it, you can kind of go right into the deeper elements, and it will explain about this SEO factor and all this kind of stuff. So you can go right into all these things, and it will tell you about how to fix them, which is really nice. So it'll tell you about the redirects, the broken images, empty alt tags, all that kind of stuff. You can also go to the visualizer view, and it will visualize different parts of how your site is linked together, which is a really interesting way of looking at content. Particularly, this site is really not built to have certain pages that are more important. But if it was, you would see that there would be certain hub sites that a lot of the other sites would listen to. So they do all these different resources. You can look at the on page links and technical factors, all that kind of stuff. You can do a page audit of a specific page, which is cool. You can do a keyword map and basically look at the different keywords and how they map out. So I'll just do create a map on FIFA 23, and it can go and do all this detail. Now, I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but it also does can look at your domain strength and reports. And one of the cool things is you can share this data with an assistant, right? So that's one of the things that I like to do, because you can basically hire a VA who is more technical and have them handle all that kind of stuff. Now, if that's not something that you're comfortable with, you just want someone to take care of this for you, well, let me know, and I'll be able to put together a quote on how we can fix that for you. But I do really like this tool. Now, this is the crazy thing. A lot of times, this software is on a monthly recurring, so you're going to be paying for it forever. However, I don't know why this is. I just saw it come up on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So it's a one-time purchase. Instead of $299, it's only $49. Okay, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, and this goes through it. But basically, this is an alternative to all these expensive programs like Ahrefs, which is only available for a monthly fee. SEMrush, Ubersuggest, all those programs are only available for a monthly fee. And this can really dig into your site and tell you what you need to know, what you need to change, and how you can improve it. So this just goes through a little bit of it. I'll put a link to this AppSumo deal in the bottom of this video. And this is really an uncrippled version, like unlimited websites, unlimited pages, shareable white label site audit reports. They check over 100 factors, in-app content optimization. It tells you what you can do. You can even schedule stuff. So I don't know why they're offering this for only $49, but I would definitely grab it before it goes, because what I found is the stuff on AppSumo does not last for a long time. And as you can see, there are 180 reviews already. It's 5 tacos, or just about 5 tacos with those 180 reviews. And I just want to highlight a couple things. This is I didn't even structure this, but usually don't write a review, but this is amazing. Won't hesitate to buy another deal if their company releases another lifetime deal. So this is interesting. He thought he knew a lot about SEO, and he always pays attention to page structure and semantics, but he learned how much he didn't know. It highly detailed report and lists areas for your attention. You get a full explanation of what needs to change and why. And that's important because, it gives you, you don't need to learn a lot of this stuff. It can do it for you and tell you what you need to pay attention to. So he's able to track down some 302 redirects. So that's a very technical thing. Probably a very technical person, and he's still getting a lot from it. Fantastic tool. So it can identify any technical issues. Can't recommend it enough. This is how marketing works. Well done. This is great. Wish I had a lifetime deal on that. So it just goes on, and no question, it's good. Just get it. This is built by pros for pros. Need an MBA to operate. Yeah, and so if this is you, you might want to really get someone to handle this for you. But being able to give them a report, something where they can do, and they can take action on, and get it done for you. That's really important because a lot of people don't know about these things that are harming their SEO. And SEO is, let's face it, it's a pretty technical thing. So something like this allows you to really break down and get into, all the details of it. And again, it does work on Mac as well. I'm on a Mac right now, so that's pretty cool. Unlimited site audits. And if you're into any kind of SEO, you can actually run an audit on someone's website and share them some information about it and be like, hey, I can fix this for you, and work out some kind of negotiation. So that can be a side business that you can do. And again, hire it out to someone who can really help do that for you and take care of those bigger issues, maybe something that's a little bit more technical. I use a place called Upwork that's very good. So obviously, I'm a big fan of this. I'll put a link in the description to website Auditor, and I would highly recommend you get this because if you're in marketing, you obviously have a website, and websites do need to be optimized. It's just a really, really good lifetime deal. And if you do have a website or you plan on having a website, get this. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And if you've used Website Auditor in the past, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about it and what you think about SEO. All right, well, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, click the link in the description to get Website Auditor.